Good morning, children. Today I will teach you class 8D. It so happened, chapter 5, Princess September, part 2. Now, there are some of the word meaning which I have written. Word meaning, number 1, snares, traps for catching birds or animals. Alighted, came down, anxious, eager, thumped, beated hard against her chest. That is hurt. Now, circumstances, situations here, hawks, big birds. Now we will go on to the chapter. Now the points. Prince September loves the bird far too much to take chances and acts upon her sister's advice. Now the bird cannot overcome the loss of freedom. Now Princess September decides to put the bird's happiness above her own. Now it seemed to Princess September that the little bird had been away a long time. Something might have happened to him. Now it seems to Princess September that her little bird had been away a long time. Something might have happened to him. What with hawks and with snares, you never knew what trouble he might get into. Besides, he might forget her, or he might take a fancy to somebody else. Now Princess September seems that her little bird had been away for a long time from her. Something might have happened to him. Now she is thinking that something might have happened to her. What about the hawk, big birds and the snares? You never know. She is thinking for the little birds and trouble he might get into. Besides, he might forget her, or he might take a fancy to somebody else. Fancy to somebody else means he should go to somebody else. That would be dreadful. It would be very hopeless. She wished he were safely back again. Now suddenly September heard a tweet tweet just behind her ear, and she saw the little bird sitting on her shoulder. Then suddenly September heard a tweet tweet, the sound of the bird just beside the ear, and she saw the little bird sitting on her shoulder. He came in so quietly and alighted so softly that he had not heard him. Now the little bird came very quietly and came down so softly that she had not heard him. Now I wonder on the earth what on earth had become of you, said the princess. Now she told that I wonder what on earth had become of you, said the princess. I thought you'd wonder that. Now the princess, the bird is telling, yes, I thought you'd wonder that, said the little bird. The fact is, I very nearly didn't come back tonight at all. Now the bird is telling that tonight I didn't came at all. My father-in-law was giving a party and they all wanted me to stay, but I thought you would be anxious. Now he told that my father-in-law is giving a party and I thought that you would be anxious for me, so I came along. Under the circumstances, this was a very uncomfortable remark for the little bird to make. Now under this situation, this was a very uncomfortable remark for the little bird to make because uncomfortable remark for the bird to make because the other sister had told her that the bird would may come or may not come, and the bird also told that tonight we were having my father-in-law's party and I didn't came at all. Now, under the circumstances, this was a very unfortunate remark for the little bird to make. And as he told that I didn't came at all, this was a very unfortunate remark for the little bird to make. Now Prince September felt her heart go thump against her chest. Now, once the Prince September's heart went against her chest, and she made up her mind to take no more risk. She put up her hand and took a hold of the bird. Up till here only, that's all.